Oh man, I am super stoked with him. My Kansas season is over.
Let's not forget how it went down. Hey, how about that buck right there? Here he comes.